The Staircraft Group were established almost 40 years ago and today are the world's largest staircase manufacturer and Europe's only i-joist, floor kit and door kit manufacturer. The following clips show how to install our unique door kits. All door kit products are manufactured to precise tolerances using materials that have a low moisture content. It is vital that this is maintained both during storage and installation. Deliveries should be organised to keep site storage to a minimum. Both linings and doors should be kept in their protective packaging on a level surface, clear of the floor. It is recommended that they remain on the bearers supplied in the watertight plot where they are to be installed. At no point should the products be stored in an unventilated container or outside. It is recommended you unwrap products 24 hours before fitting. Openings should be made 66mm larger than the width of the door and 52mm larger than the height to allow for any packing and adjustments as needed. When fitting to a block wall, it is recommended that a plywood subliner is installed prior to plastering. Place the door lining on a flat surface, keeping in mind the handing required. Screw the head to the jambs using minimum 32mm long screws. Ensure all parts are aligned correctly. A battery drill is recommended and an impact driver should not be used. Position the assembled frame into the opening, ensuring that the hinge jamb is plumb first, then follow up ensuring both the head and latch jamb are also square and plumb. Temporarily fix in the pre-drilled holes using a minimum of 2 number 75mm long steel screws into each jamb. Any slight gaps around fire door frames should be filled with mineral wool, intumescent mastic paste or fire foam. Now permanently fix the lining using all the pre-drilled holes provided. You may wish to temporarily install a dummy door in order to double check the lining is square and plumb. Finally, at this stage, fix the doorstop to all 3 sides. Hinges and latches are pre-installed onto the doors, ready to hang, with hinge pockets pre-cut in the linings to eliminate the need to remove or refit the hinge during decoration. Remove the male hinges from the door and install into the pre-cut pockets on the jamb. Ensure the hinge is flush to the frame once installed. Install the keep in the pre-cut pocket. We do not recommend the use of an impact driver to install the hinges to the frame. Carry out a final check, ensuring there is a 2mm gap evenly around the door. Please note on every hinge there is a square adjuster plate which is factory set to 0. This can be adjusted to -1mm, +1mm or +2mm by matching the nib on the plate to the corresponding number on the female hinge. This will adjust the positioning of the door to the hinge side jamb and is designed to aid with any slight deviations to the fitting of the door frame. Staircraft have plenty of guidance documents available. Download the Staircraft install app or visit www.staircraftgroup.com and click on the Resource Centre button.